The main reason that I haven't been posting on YouTube, and I could say it's because of work. I didn't have any time, I'm too busy, and whilst all of those things may very well be true, guess what? The real reason that I haven't been posting is because of fear. Now that 4-letter word, FEAR, false evidence appearing to be real. Fear. Why am I afraid? I love to do this. I like to get in front of the camera. I like to post stuff on my WhatsApp, my IG. But when it comes to YouTube, the whiz kid is a little bit reserved, right? Fear that, will anybody like it? Will anybody watch it? Will anybody comment? Will anybody share? Will anybody subscribe, and hit that bell icon? That's my greatest fear. But then I looked deep into myself and I'm like, hey, I'm not doing any of this for the likes. I just want to share a part of me with the rest of the world. My goofiness, the serious part of me, which is very minimal. And so I just want to welcome back myself to YouTube, and I hope that you will welcome me back as well and have me, because I have a lot to share with you guys. I have a question for you, and you can answer in the comment section below. What is it that you guys have always wanted to do, but because of this thing called fear, being afraid, you have reservations towards it? I mean, it's 2020, a lot of havoc, chaos, roller coaster ride have been happening in this year, and it's crazy and it's very sad at the same time. But I believe with turmoil, with havoc, beautiful things can happen. So what is it that you have always wanted to do but have always been afraid, and just decide to say, hey, we can do this, let us do it now. Today is the day. 2020 is the year. September is the month. Let us get to it. Let us do this. Just comment and let me know. So to all my 53 subscribers that I have unfortunately neglected in the past, I just want to send my deepest apologies. I hope you can forgive me, because I am back. You're gonna kind of have to forgive me for the cars passing on the outside. I practically live on the roadside. So I have had this channel for like 10 years and did absolutely nothing with it. I uploaded a few videos prior to, but that's it. I guess that's my loss, right? My channel could have had 53,000 subscribers. Hey, I think I'm aiming too low. 5,300,000 subscribers I could have had. But again, that's my loss. But this time, I'm gonna ride out the storm. I'm gonna put in a lot of work for the next 10 years to come, and I want you to help me remain accountable. I started this channel originally as a hair channel. I had amazing locks, by the way, you understand? But I got rid of it, and probably sometime way down when I'll talk about that. Yeah, nice, right? And then I changed it to something else. Then I changed it to a fitness channel. Then I had this other name for it, which I really love. But then I said, seeing as this time I said I'm going to stick with it, I just decided to choose me. And I settled with this name. I settled with Journey with Noelle. It was extremely tough coming up with names for this channel. I even went on YouTube, searching how to name a channel, but some things you can't really find on YouTube. You just have to dig it up from here. Just in case you're wondering, I'm not sure if you're wondering, but I think a few people are wondering. I am Noelle, and this is my lifestyle channel. First and foremost, we're gonna talk about food. I mean, like seriously, who does not love food? We're gonna talk about do-it-yourself projects. I mean, I have been working on a lot of projects and I can't wait to share them with you guys. And of course, we're gonna talk about more food, right? Fitness and wellness. A lot of wellness stuff. And health, because you always hear this term throwing around: your health is your wealth, your health is your wealth, your health is your wealth. And it's true. And then we're going to talk about some more food, right? Then home improvements, you know, how to do this, you know, splash a little paint over there, what you can do to make your space look a little more alive. And last but not least, yo, people, we are going to throw down in the kitchen. I love to experiment with foods. It's all about food. See, I personally believe, you know, experiment with foods because your body is the lab. Like, I do crazy experiments and I can't wait. Yo, I'm talking about it and I can't stay still because I'm super excited. So if any of that interests you, just grab me the honors of tapping that like button, hit the share button, you know, go down in the comment section and comment down below of things that you actually would love to see from me. Share with your friends, share with the friends and family member. Last but not least, subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an upload from me. Videos will be uploaded every other Wednesday to begin with, and then every Wednesday after that. So thank you so much for tuning in. I can't wait to take you on this epic journey with me. Drop one, man. What do I do? Why is this so hard? Oh my god, I'm me alone in here. Like, why? And meditation and sun? Come on, at this time. Alarm.